I feel like I've had this before. Okay, I don't think it's Domino's because they always have like a garlicky crust. I don't think it's Pizza Classics. I go there a lot. So it's between Aviators and Marco's. I don't know. Let's see here. The crust. Okay, I'm gonna go with Marco's.
Okay. Marco's.
Okay. I'm gonna taste it. I feel like it's not Domino's because like they normally have the garlic and stuff. And I feel like I would know if it was Pizza Classics. So I'm gonna go ahead. I've narrowed it down to two. Marco's and Aviators. I'm gonna taste it. Smells good. I feel like I want to guess Aviator. Let's see.
What were the options again? Pizza Classics? I don't know. I'm also going off of the look. I want to say Marco's. I don't know why, but I'm leaning towards Marco's. You know what? No, Pizza Classics.
I'm pretty confident. I think I'll distinguish them. That's pizza, all right? Okay. Texture at the bottom, some like flaky crust. I think this is Domino's.
Okay. I don't know. I don't want to be wrong because I do go to Pizza Classics a lot, but I have a feeling it's Pizza Classics.
I'm gonna go with Aviators.
The way it looks, I feel like I'm gonna taste it. I feel like that's Pizza Classics because it has the. I feel like they have a pretty good thin crust, and it seems pretty thin. So and it tastes good.
Aviators. I think this one might be Aviators. I'm gonna say Aviators.
This is probably Marco's.
Ooh, fancy. Hold on, I feel like I know this crust. Okay. I think it's Domino's. Because it always has the garlicky crust. Hold on. Yeah, that's Domino's. I think that's Domino's.
Domino's. I can tell from the crust. Yeah.
I'm like almost positive this is Domino's. Like with the garlic and like the way that it is, but I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, I think it's Domino's. I can taste a little bit of the garlic. I feel like I'm wrong, but I'm right. I'm like, sure, I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. Domino's. There we go. Just looking at this one, I'm pretty sure it's Domino's. I think it's Domino's. I don't know. I'm gonna go with Domino's. Yeah.
Let me finish this one. I'm still chewing it. I'm still taking in the flavor. Okay. This has to be. This has to be Pizza Classics.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I made a mistake. Oh no. I definitely made a mistake. Okay. I feel like. Okay, hold on. I feel like if I change it now, then it's gonna be even more wrong. But I feel like now this is Marco's. And then the first one is Aviator's. So I'm gonna guess Marco's on this.
Okay.
Oh no.
Well, I guess the last one I haven't guessed is Pizza Classics, but I think I made a mistake. But yeah.
So I guess that leaves me with Marco's. Okay. I feel pretty good. I feel like I got a solid 50. If let's see. This makes sense. I feel like that's Marco's. This is a good mix.
So this is Marco's. Well, I know for sure this is Domino's because there's a certain taste to Domino's, but when I think of Aviators, I think of kind of like a flat pizza, like a flatter pizza for some reason. So it's Aviators is one of these, probably. But I'll stick with Marco's. I guess this would leave Marco's probably, based off of what I said. Yeah, I've never eaten at Marco's. I'm not sure. Yeah, I assume it's Marco's.
Oh shoot. Okay, I might have mistaken one for the other. Yeah, I'll go that this last one is Aviators.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Not too bad. 2 out of 4. Well, they do have a similar. Oh my god, I did so bad.
And it was Marco's.
Yeah.
I knew it.
It was Marco's.